Hey guys, assalamu alaikum. Welcome back. If it's your first time, my name is Amina. Thank you so much for tuning in to watch this video. So in today's video, it's me again in the kitchen preparing for iftar. So on this day, I prepared fish. I made grilled fish. I also made fried fish. I don't know if I have to mention all the spices that I put, but I did use different spices for fish. So this fish that I'm preparing right now, I'm going to put in the oven. Just put olive oil. I put the inner parmesan fish spice. Also put paprika. Yes. So now I'm preparing the other fish. I'm putting flour right now. Then I'm gonna put fish spice, a different one. I've forgotten the brand of it. I put garlic powder and onion powder, I think, yeah. And I also put mixed spice and paprika. Yeah, then I put water, made some thick paste, as you guys can see. I won't be explaining everything. Then I fried it. I wanted to make two different recipes in case, because a lot of recipes, whenever I cook, some of the things just come out from my mind. So yeah, I didn't want, we must have all fish not tasting the best, but luckily everything was tasting super delicious. Do like the taste of the grilled one more, but my family enjoyed both of the fish. Yeah. How is everyone? How is Ramadan? I hope everyone is still keeping well and they are still pushing Ramadan well and they are doing all the necessary that needs to be done to improve one's faith. Yeah, so I'm struggling with the music, guys. I am struggling with the music, especially when it comes to this fast pace videos, because this video, if I didn't edit it so much, it goes up until more than an hour. Yeah, so I have to at least play some kind of music, or not really music, but to Islamic music. And I feel like when you are monetized, whatever that you put is easily how can I say, you easily get copyright, other than when you are not monetized. When you are not monetized, it takes time sometimes. Sometimes you'll put music that have copyright, but it will only show after some time, after some months. But with us who are monetized, it's so difficult. It's so difficult, yeah. So now I'm just frying my fish. Yeah, so I will be just playing instrumental music, whatever that I think sure I won't be getting copyright. So please do make me laugh. I hope you guys enjoy these cooking videos and you get some inspiration by watching and getting ideas what to cook. I know sometimes it's tricky what to cook each and every day. For me, really, I don't really stress. Sometimes we do repeat food, just like today. I'm not cooking the main food because we happen to have mutton curry that I cooked the previous day. No. Yesterday I cooked something else because, with fasting, you can't eat the same food like today and tomorrow. So I skip days, then I go back to that food if it's something that we'd like. Otherwise, yeah, it's better you give food away. Yeah, so now I'm quickly making chicken and egg mayo sandwich. I've put mayonnaise, and I've also put the Nando sauce, extra hot peri peri Nando sauce. Somehow my phone here got flat and it was off, so some of the things I didn't fully show what I was doing, just putting aromate, put spring onion. This is super delicious, guys. It's rich, but it's super delicious. I'm not going to be making pakoras and your samosas every day. Anything that we're able to eat during breakfast, because if there is all that, it's breaking the fast of during the day we wasn't eating. So when the stomach whatever you eat for the stomach needs to be soft. So like if you wake up in the morning, whatever that you eat in the morning, it's usually soft. So I am going to be making different kinds of those things, not necessarily some pakoras and samosas. I know like majority of my people, especially Pakistanis, they love that always. But no, I don't think it's good that every day for 29 days eating pakoras and samosas. Yeah, we'll eat that, but there must be other options. Yeah. So that what I made. It was super delicious, guys. Like a. Now I am quickly baking, guys. Very tasty also. Cupcakes as I speak. Okay, guys, my daughter, she's preparing now for iftar. Right now it's 15:50. I don't think I'll take you guys along with really to the kitchen today. Yeah, my phone is so full. I record a lot, but don't get time to edit. So here I've put 4 eggs. Then I whisk them nicely, give them time and whisk and whisk and whisk. It's 4 eggs, and then okay, I'll share as I put everything. These are super moist. What is it? Cupcakes, and then it's 1 cup of oil, 4 tablespoon of butter. You can use margarine, but I use butter. I've put pinch of salt, 2 tablespoon of vanilla essence, and then 1 cup of sugar, 2 cups of flour, and what was that I've put at the end? Okay, it was 3 teaspoon of baking powder, and I like to add a little bit of oil. Somehow cakes comes out more perfect with just a little bit of oil. Yeah, so there was about 2 tablespoon of oil. I estimated that, yeah, but if you want the proper measurements, because I just asked my daughter, just bring quickly oil. I forgot. Yeah, let me just put oil. Usually it's something that I just add. It's not really like in the recipe. You can do without it. So now I am putting almonds, crushed almonds. Love me some almonds. Yeah, so yeah, guys.
I think you deserve to go to college.
Yes, guys, bake until done. Usually I don't like to say the how long you must bake, because my stuff, I don't even notice. It's just that when you're used to it. Yeah. And now these are our tomatoes, cherry tomatoes, and I am going to come with feta. We're preparing pasta here. This recipe I saw in one of the shorts on TikTok or here on YouTube. I think here on YouTube. Yeah, but I'm kind of like making it, putting it a bit of extra of me. Yeah, so but yeah, it looked delicious. It's not the first time I'm making it. Yeah, but today I decided, you know what, I am gonna blend everything together once it comes out from the oven. So obviously you put your cherry tomatoes, your feta, black pepper, salt optional, because feta already have its own oil, and you must remember that the pasta that you're going to be cooking is also going to have salt. So be careful of your salt when you're making this kind of dish. And then now I'm just coming to put a bit of parsley. Yeah, then I'm gonna pop it in the oven, wait for those tomatoes to completely get done. Then yeah, we will carry on after. Now let's prepare some chai, some tea. So came here with 2 tea bags, putting ilachi, putting ginger, yeah, and then I'm gonna let it boil for some time, and I will come with my milk. Yeah, I decided the weather was a bit chilly these days. The weather is just not for milkshake. I don't know. Anyway, beside that, me, I prefer the warm things for my stomach when I break. Yeah, their cupcakes are out, guys. They're looking so delicious. Yeah. Yeah, they are out. They are super soft, super delicious.
A lot of things.
I want my table must be set nicely, and it never happens.
It does. Must I put the sugar that side and the honey? Then.
Yeah, but I feel like it's fine. I did put yes,
sugar
guys,
on it.
this was the time now. Was really preparing, putting the things that side. Chai was ready, and only the pasta I needed to, to mix it. Then it was also ready. I did make macaroni on the side. What is it? Toasty. Is it toasty pasta? I'm not sure if I'm saying right, guys. Yeah. So now I'm just going to quickly put everything together there, and I'm just going to blend everything together, guys. This is super delicious. Last time I made it, I put tuna fish. Yeah. So you can even put chicken, anything. I think I'm not good with pasta in general. I'm not good with pasta, and it's also that it's not something that I like so much. My daughter, she's very good with making pasta, yeah, because she like it too. So that's why she have perfected making pasta. But this is one of the recipes. If you are not like have clue how to make pasta, this always comes out so delicious, so tasty. I love it so much. You can put anything meaty after that, your prawns, your chicken, and yeah, nice and creamy. But it's more tasty when it's fresh like this. After some time you still feel taste, but it's not as so much enjoyable when it's this fresh. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for being here. Thank you so much. I will see you guys on my next upload. My husband already braked already. I am always late, but you know what, no one is perfect. I'm sure he knows that I'm not perfect, and he's happy with how I am. Yeah, but the food was there. It was just like few minutes, 3 minutes, 5 minutes, and late. Yeah. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. I will see you on my next upload. Bye bye.
Please?
So made cupcakes, bread, fish done. This is yesterday's fat cooks, and yeah, the pasta super delicious. Can see. This is our iftar.